With GuocoLand, one can expect very good quality fittings and finishings. Hi, this is Pauline and I'm right now outside Lentor Hills Residences show flat. This is a brand new development that's going to be happening very soon right here in this brand new Lentor estate. Now we're all very excited and looking forward to it, and you should be too. So stay tuned and keep watching this video. Let's find out more about Lentor Hills Residences. The developer team comprises GuocoLand, Hong Leong Holdings and TID. These are award-winning developers, and here are some of their recent projects. Lentor Hills Residences sits on a site area of 184,000 square feet and will offer a total of 598 units in 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom types. Whether you're a single person looking for your first home, a newlywed couple, a family with young children, or a multi-generational family, or perhaps an investor looking to buy a dual-key apartment, there are many choices available. With GuocoLand and Hong Leong Holdings, you can be assured of good quality fittings and finishings. You can be expecting full condo facilities at Lentor Hills Residences. There is even a sheltered walkway to Lentor Modern. Be spoiled for choices when it comes to water activities. Head up to the Sky Terrace on the 8th and 9th story for more facilities. Parents with young children will be happy to have the in-house childcare center. How would you like to enjoy the conveniences of being close to an integrated development, Lentor Modern, where an array of food and retail therapy awaits you? And you'll be happy to have a second childcare center option. Location: almost 30 hectares of Lentor forest was cleared to make way for new developments in this new Lentor estate, and Lentor Hills Residences is the second new launch right after Lentor Modern. There are 2 new parks in this new Lentor estate, and if these are not enough, there are many nature parks in the nearby area, such as the Thomson Nature Park, Pierce Reservoir, Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, and Lower Seletar Reservoir. Pet owners and nature lovers will certainly love it here. With Lentor MRT station just a few steps away, enjoy excellent connectivity on the Thomson-East coastline and your gateway to several future growth regions. Be connected to all the major MRT lines and the future Cross Island Line. With CTE and SLE just a short drive away, it will be such a breeze to travel to any part of Singapore. When the North-South Corridor is completed in 2027, road users will enjoy a shorter and smoother commute. Parents with school-going children will be happy to have these school options in the area. For food, you can head on down to Casuarina Road, Sembawang Hills Food Centre, Mayflower Market, or Jalan Kayu. For more food and retail therapy, head on down to the nearby malls such as Thomson Plaza, Junction 8, Ang Mo Kio Hub, Seletar Mall, and Greenwich V. For price, we note that Lentor Modern was 84% sold on launch day at a price range of 1,009 to 2,500 per square foot. We further note that GuocoLand and Hong Leong Holdings are also the developers for 4 plots of land in the Lentor estate, and this would help to ensure a certain degree of price control in the area. What we've covered are the 3 P's to buying property, and this, in summary, is what Lentor Hills Residences has to offer. And that sums up the reasons why Lentor Hills Residences might be the right choice for you. I'm Pauline and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. For more content, connect with me on the channels below.